In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the old server in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is actually you want to exit your game by leaving it like this. And then in here, you want to, under experiences, find the Grow a Garden. So over here, I have it over here. So I'm going to click on the Grow a Garden. And you want to click on this icon next to the play button, which kind of shows two people. And then you want to click on Create Private Server. Now, we're not going to be creating a private server. We just have to get into the server section. So we can just cancel this. And then from here, you will see other servers. Now, to actually find an old server, this is the best way. You want to go, and where it says descending, you want to click on that and change it to ascending. What this will do, you'll be able to basically find servers that only have like one people in them. So what you should do is just start joining these random servers. So of course, not every single one is going to be old, but if you want to find a really old server, you'll have to just join one of these servers and get lucky. So just keep on joining. You join one server like I did right now, and let's wait what you can see in here. And then once I come in here, I'm then going to check if it's an old server. If I think it is, then it's fine. It doesn't seem to be. And then you can just leave. And then you can just go into another one like I showed you. And just keep on repeating the process until you find a very old server. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.